Alright guys, I'm gonna see what's up with popping this window out. Looks like these things right here got little trims on them. Now, the reason I took this out without bracing the window or holding it or anything is because I know it's still glued in properly on the other side. I mean, it doesn't even look like there's bugle tape in there, honestly. I don't know what the heck the lady used. Looks like some cheap silicone wool. Yeah, some cheap silicone. Yeah, see? I'm obviously getting a butyl. And even maybe some other stuff even just to go around that. Alright. See if we can get this wall out without too much effort. Hopefully I'll pull this whole thing out in one piece though. See what we got going on here. Oh, this beam's soft, man. Yeah, this definitely needs to be replaced. Alright, good news and bad news. Good news is that the wood didn't rot up here or past this point over. Past this beam, it saved it. You can see all the way down there. It's good wood. So, I don't think this rotted out. This piece of wood rotted out because of anything leaking above it. I think it was from this water right here, soaking up through here, soaking into wood, and then just soaking throughout, you know? So, but I'm still going to seal the whole roof. So I'm just going to try to clean all this shit up. I'm really thankful that it didn't leak past this bar, this support. Okay, so I just removed the bottom stripping and all the screws along the bottom. Put the stripping away. I'm going to buy new stripping and obviously get new screws, but I had to remove that in order to move out this piece of wood that was along the inside back wall. I pulled this up. Styrofoam was just falling out. Alright, my next objective is to pull out these screws in hopes this frame will pull off, which it will. Hopes this all comes out in one piece up to this stripping. Right there against the fence. Alright, so I got it down, as you can see. And I had to take it down to this line, which it perfectly went to, and there's a beam there. I can just boop boop the new piece right to, thank God. Alright, people. This thing's a pain in the ass. It's obviously killing me. I've been chipping at it with a chisel because I don't got no power tools. Oh, I got this side pretty much cleaned up. Got that wall cleaned. This beam's good. To here, this beam's good. This beam's good. That means no water leaked from this seal back. Because the roof's pretty good. Probably pop it off with this seal right here. Since that seal leads to about back here. Maybe I'll just replace this whole beam from here. All the way around. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll replace this beam too while I'm here. I'll place this whole beam, and that way the whole front stripping's off. It's going to be hanging a little bit. Man, this stuff is going to take a little bit to get off, man. Hopefully not too long. It's just me and my hammer and chisel here. We got this. hand is super tired, man. I've been scraping and hammering. I'm gonna take a minute break. Just chill out for a second. Got pretty much all that done. Alright people, obviously it's where I kind of want it to be right now. Not really. But yeah, man. I'm just gonna go around, clean up stuff like this. Yeah, man, guys, this is my first time doing this. I never did this before. I'm not even good with woodworking, honestly. I did terrible in woodworking class at school. But then again, you didn't really see my woodworking yet, so when the time comes, I guess you'll... But man, I'm telling you, I got so many receipts to this camper now, to the point where this is actually worth doing. The previous owner, she was an older woman, and she pretty much had everything redone, from the transmission to the ball joints to the, you know, she pretty much had it. Alright, this shit is hard, man. It's no joke. It's gonna be a death year, boy, man. No, I'm just kidding. Almost got the shit. I'm going to carefully and safely take off this wall. I'm just gonna peel it out. I'm not gonna break that bad boy off and in one piece. I stored it in the backyard because I'm probably gonna slap it right back up there when I'm done with some tacks. I just wanted to make this beam visible so I can connect all these wood pieces right through into that one, you know. But yeah, looks like there's a rat's nest or some shit right there. It's kind of scary. I'm just gonna comb through it with the shop vac and suck all that shit up real fast. Hopefully I suck the mouse up too if there's one in there. We'll see. Alright people, pretty much got the area cleaned up and all the beams completely visible. Well, the ones that are good anyway. As you can see, it's only these top ones. This one bare, that just hit my head, man. That shit hurt. I'm 6'2". Pretty much the beams that survived were these, which is not bad because it's the ones above the roof that survived. Only ones that didn't were the ones under the windows, and that's from the shitty, obviously from the shitty black tape. Good morning, people. I think today is like 27th April 2017. I'm not sure, honestly, somewhere around there. And yeah, I think today I'm gonna start pulling up this carpet. I'm gonna replace it eventually. Well, when I build this bench, I might set it back a little bit, but then again, I might take it to this line because that's how far the box comes out. This walkway ain't too bad. Yeah, my goals maybe today is to get this carpet out just from here over. These damn bees, man, get the fuck out of here, bee, bitch ass bee. So one of my goals here is pretty much to get this carpet out. I just got my paycheck today. Luckily it's a Friday. So I'm gonna go get some materials tomorrow because I work later on it too. So I don't really, it's 9 o'clock right now in the morning, but yeah, man. I guess we'll slowly start trying to get this carpet out. Alright, I already pulled out from this section up because I really don't want to bite off more than I can chew, so. Because it looks like shit too. It's still hard. So it looks good. I mean, I don't want to be pulling anything else out. Let me see if I had to pull out the heater, how would I? I guess I'd take out the two edges. Yeah, let's see right here. This looks like it'd move. Gotta get with it. Alright people, I got that out. It's fairly easy. Hardest part was they put like a bolt. Someone put a bolt right here. Looks like the dude put it there or something. Yeah, the reason I took it out is because, what did I say? Fantasy Island. Nice. Maybe I'll save this. Yeah, I took it out because I wanted to place these beams. They ain't too bad. This bottom one's real bad, but it also gives me a chance to replace this bottom beam. I'm thinking about, honestly, pulling up this floor. When I run these new beams down, running them down to the bottom as far as I can, and then sliding a flat piece of wood up and drilling them from the inside, and then gluing it, this wall, to that. I just feel like that would work best to get this wall sucked in, that whole bottom sucked in, because it's going to be hard fucking, you know what I'm saying? If I don't do it this way, it's pretty much going to be hard. Yeah, that's it so far. I'll show you the outside. Hot tub I got to throw away. Broke recently. But yeah, that's the outside. As you can see, this shit's pretty rotten. You know what I'm saying? Needs a new beam, obviously. Gives me a time to really look at this too. Check out everything, see how everything's looking, you see? We'll have to support all that. Ain't gonna be a thing though. But yeah, got that out. I'm gonna clean up